why don't we take these people that are so saying, listen, it's 30 years, we should just move on. Let them go and sleep in that shack for a week.
100%.
Take a taxi to work. Go and ask for a job on the side of the road. Get paid 250 rand. Then choose if you buy soap or if you buy food.
Sure.
And then tomorrow work on the construction side again and not
Thank
get
you,
paid.
JP.
So that's probably something that we can do. And what you do is you get people in there and you interview them, and there's a camera and I know you're going to say, yeah, there's got to be policing around it, but if you get the community to realize, hold on, this is a show that we put on.
Sure.
At night you wake up with gunshots and there's crime, because there's crime in every area.
Sure.
But now you're not behind your barbed wire and your electric fence. You're in a shack with 6 other people, and tomorrow morning you got to bath in water that's ice cold, or you got to boil it. It's like people will suddenly realize, hold on, maybe I'm being a bit unfair in saying we should just accept everything's moved on.
Sure.
So